On narrow, rural lanes in Norway where we drove it, the Velar's control arm front and multilink rear suspension fitted with optional air springs offered an appealing blend of ride comfort and sporty attitude. The only real letdown was the supercharged V6, which felt a bit coarse, unrefined, and slightly bovine in tone, a far cry from its snotty, spitting character in Jaguar's F-Type sports car. The Velar's considerable curb weight, we expect it to weigh between 4,850 pounds, is well controlled under every input other than acceleration, which feels a bit lackluster. Any sense of laggardliness is more of a generalized sensation than a demerit, as Land Rover claims that this hottest Velar makes the run to 60 miles per hour in 5.3 seconds and tops out at 155 mph. While Jaguar Land Rover's supercharged V8, not available in the Velar, remains a model of frivolous, thirsty joy, and its new Ingenium 4 cylinders are solid performers, the 6 feels as if it's aging poorly. The Velar's name suggests a direct connection to the full-size Range Rover, although the aesthetics cribbed from the Evix playbook. We were pleasantly surprised that, in terms of on-road demeanor, the Velar leans more toward the supple, relaxed ride of the big rangy rather than the city ute temperament of its smaller sibling. And in the fully loaded V6 first edition example we drove, the interior appointments, save for a cheap-feeling cup holder cover, were up to par and, indeed, felt significantly more luxurious than those of its German and Japanese rivals. Sybarites need look no further. Rich leather is a given on up-level Range Rovers, and the top-spec Windsor hide is some of the finest feeling leather available at the first edition's $90,295 price point. More interesting to us is the wool and synthetic suede interior offering, recalling the days when fancy fabrics were just as desirable as the skins of cattle.